Welcome to another edition of this video email training program. The name of this topic is Mortgage Loan Programs for Owner-Occupied Borrowers and Real Estate Investors with Bad Credit and Waiting Periods for Derogatory Credit Events. Hello everyone once again. My name is Si-Wing Yi. I'm a certified FICO professional, and this is a very important educational series. In fact, all my credit impaired clients must listen to this recording and to this PowerPoint presentation, as well as other investors as well, and other potential borrowers. Anyway, today is a lender's market. It's not just a buyer's real estate market. Your ability to understand the lender's market may determine your financial destiny. So let's go over the various loan programs. Fannie Mae, conventional for owner and non-owner occupied loans. Here are the lending guidelines, very critical. Although this kind of loan programs is subject to change in the future, but as of today, July the 11th, 2011, this is the current Fannie Mae lending guidelines for homeowners, owner-occupied, as well as non-owner-occupied investment loans. And here are the waiting time frame for people under the following situations. People that have foreclosure on the credit report. The waiting time to obtain this loan program is 7 years from date of foreclosure sale. Exceptions are 3 years with extenuating circumstances, such as medical situation and loss of job or drastic reduction of income, and of course a documentation is necessary. And the minimum FICO score is 680. With respect to short sale, the waiting period to be able to potentially qualify for Fannie Mae mortgage is 7 years from the date of short sale. Exceptions are 2 years with 20% down payment, and 4 years from now if 10% down payment is implemented. And the minimum FICO score is 680. And third, bankruptcy. 4 years from the date of bankruptcy discharge, a person is able to qualify for a mortgage potentially under the Fannie Mae owner-occupied and investment guidelines. Exceptions are 2 years with extenuating circumstances. And the minimum FICO score is 680. Now, the next loan program I'm going to discuss is strictly for owner-occupied, strictly for principal home buyers in the future. And this is an FHA program. Okay, FHA 3.5% down payment program. Very unique. With respect to waiting period for credit impaired borrowers, people that have foreclosures, 3 years from the date of foreclosure, 2 years with extenuating circumstances. So it's pretty good, very flexible, very easy, less stringent program than Fannie Mae, obviously, especially with a down payment. With respect to short sale, 3 years from the date of the short sale closed. On a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, only 2 years from the date of discharge. With respect to Chapter 13 bankruptcy, 1 year after the payout period has begun with the bankruptcy court approval. And the minimal FICO score is 620. However, if you have a higher FICO score, the better will be the rates. So in summary, the FHA program, 3.5% down payment full program for owner-occupied people are very desirable. And then for the remaining of this short video, we're going to discuss the other non-owner occupied investment loans. Okay. And let's talk about the HomePath loans. HomePath investment loans, the waiting period for people with bankruptcy, Chapter 7, is only 2 years. Similar with short sales and foreclosures. The minimum FICO score is 660, and the minimum down payment on this particular investment loan is 10%. No PMI necessary, and my suggested price range for HomePath home loans for investors to achieve positive cash flow is around price range of $60,000 to $120,000. The HomePath investment loans is available in all 50 states. However, my recommendations are to buy in Las Vegas, Phoenix, Florida, and Texas. This unique program may not last long. It's been around for a couple of years already. Okay, the next investment loan program for credit impaired people are the VA loans, Veteran Administration government loans. This is the investment property loan, VENDI financing. Again, very, very desirable. The feature of this particular loan is 5% down payment. You do not need to be a veteran to qualify for this investment loan. It is not FICO score driven. Very, very interesting. With respect to people who are bad credit, 1 year after the payout period has begun for the Chapter 13, you can qualify for this VENDI financing VA loan. With respect to Chapter 7 bankruptcy, 2-year waiting period, you can qualify potentially for this VA investment loan. 3 years from the date of foreclosure sales date. Okay, not bad. And the suggested price range of VA investment homes you should look into are anywhere from to achieve positive cash flow, that is anywhere from $60,000 to $120,000. And the suggested location of VA investment homes you should look into is 1, San Antonio, Texas, 2, Memphis, Tennessee, 3, Phoenix, Arizona, 4, Orlando, Florida, and a few other markets, maybe even Vegas in South Carolina somewhere. VA investment homes in California does not cash flow. They are too expensive. Typically, they are more than $120,000 range. So with 5% down, you would not be able to cash flow. So as a result, California is not an appropriate investment strategy. This unique VA foreclosure program may not last long. It's been around since 2008. For more information, go to my other website, my Yi Real Estate Network website, which is, the website name is cwingyiseminars.com. Or contact me and with my information. My contact number is 510-552-0726. And of course, you have my email address. The suggested financial action plan is start cleaning your credit ASAP. No need to wait. Number 2, determine your down payment required for your house strategy and commit to your savings for your goal. If you don't have a bankruptcy or foreclosure, short sale, but have other derogatory information on your credit report causing you to have low FICO score, you do not have any time restrictions to buy this kind of property I've just been talking about. But you must meet the minimum FICO score requirements depending on the mortgage program that you're choosing. Create a financial plan to reach your goal. That's the bottom line. You gotta have the motivation, you gotta have the commitment, and put your financial house in order, and potentially work with a financial coach such as myself to help you reach your goals. Right now, there's no mistake about it. Right now is real estate's perfect storm. A favorite Warren Buffett maxim. The favorite maxim will be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. Right? And right now, most people are very fearful. Therefore, be greedy. I do not mean in a bad way. Be greedy in a good way. Right? There's abundance of opportunity for us to create wealth in this challenging market. The market conditions are right. Timing is perfect to create wealth. fortunes will be made by those who seize this once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay? So, a final thought. Just do it. Nike. Thank you very much for listening to this very important presentation, and I will good luck and talk to you next time. Thank you very much.